We're here at the Cardiovascular Center here in the Porte. This is where I used to have my physical therapy here. Check out what we have here. This looks exactly the same as I remembered. Let's go in the basement, where this is called Heritage Center. Here in the basement. Let's go to 3. We got an Abell here. Here is the 3rd floor. Let's go back down to the basement. Here's the basement. Going up? Yes. Going to 1?
Yes, please.
Here's 1. Have a good day.
You too.
Here's the door track. Hi. It's a nice elevator. So I gotta tell you. Definitely do remember this design. Capacity 25. Here we are at the 3rd floor. Look at the door track. Let's go back down to 1. There's a phone. Very strange phone box. Yes, so strange. Adams buttons. Capacity 25. Just certificate up there. Very interesting door track. And yeah, that's the elevator here. This place looks so different. But the building and the outside still is the same. This looks so different. See, that's the building directory there. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.